How to change format in Zoomerang. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, open the application. Now here, you can directly import the video that you want to edit. So here I'm tapping on one. At last, here on the right top, tap on next. So basically we're in this editing platform. Here, you can find different tools and edit the video. Here on the bottom, if you slowly swipe right, there's a section of format. Simply tap on format, and here there are different formats available. So it's up to you and the way you want to customize. So these are the formats that are available. So you can directly select the one that you want to use, and at last you can simply go back. So you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.